Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. We are going to be working on a Gladiator, putting an MBRP exhaust on it. So stay tuned. This is going to be a short one though. All right, so started doing this exhaust, and we've got the exhaust out, laying here in the yard. New exhaust hanging out over there. First step is to drop the tire from the back, and then remove the heat shield. And then there's one clamp with a 13mm all the way up at the front that you take out, and then you are ready to go. So we are going to start putting this exhaust in. Be back soon. All right, we got her on. A little trick to these bolts up here. They're kind of hard to see from this side, but on this side, get it lined up before you bolt the hanger. Hanger back in this corner we put up here through this hole. Was able to reach it through there. But otherwise we got split system up in here, and then heads down this way, and then muffler this way. So now the moment of truth. Let's try her out. Let's fire her up. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be doing more videos of installs and other products and stuff like that as we go on. So like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon.